Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the 3-phase induction motor rotor resistance starter. There are 5 types of starter available. In this video we will see the rotor resistance starter used in the 3-phase induction motor. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive, link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the topic. So here we are using the rotor resistance. The resistance is added in the rotor circuit. Here a resistance is inserted in each winding of the rotor. So this will reduce the current drawn by the motor. Right. So by adding the resistance, the current drawn by the motor is reduced. That is our main objective. During the starting, we need to reduce the starting current by the induction motor, so that we are using this starter. So in this diagram, we will refer the diagram. Just the stator winding is available. This is the rotor winding. It is slip ring induction motor. So it is connected with the external resistance. This external resistance are connected. So it is connected with the maximum resistance portion. So this point is the maximum. If it is connected here, it is the entire voltage is applied. While connecting here, the voltage will be dropped here in the resistor, and the remaining voltage will be given to the slip ring. So the maximum resistance position is connected at the initially. So the current drawn and voltage applied to the rotor winding is reduced. If the voltage applied to the rotor winding is reduced, means automatically voltage taken by the stator winding also reduces. Right. So while reducing the rotor voltage, automatically stator voltage also reduces. So where the voltage is reduced, the current drawn by the stator also reduces. That is our main objective. During the starting, the current drawn by the stator should be limited in order to avoid the damage. So in order to limit the current, we are applying here the stator takes, if the stator takes the less voltage is applied, automatically the current taken by the stator is less. In order to make the stator voltage lesser, we are making the rotor voltage is lesser by inserting the resistance. So due to the resistor, the voltage taken by the rotor is less. Due to less voltage in the rotor, the voltage in the stator also less, so that it will draw the less amount of current. Once the motor is gained the normal speed, then the resistance is gradually decreased and apply the rated voltage, so that the motor will take the rated voltage and it will rotate at the rated speed. I will see the description. The resistance are connected in the star, in a star connected. These resistors are connected in a star connected manner. External resistor is inserted in each phase through a slip ring and a brush assembly. Right? The external resistor is connected. Initially the resistor are at the maximum resistance position, so that voltage is lesser. So due to that, stator voltage is lesser, stator current drawn also lesser. Right? So as the motor gathers the speed, the resistance is gradually cut off. Automatically it will, while reducing the resistor gradually, the motor will gather the normal voltage and it will gather the normal speed. Now we will see the advantage and disadvantages. So the main advantage is torque is directly proportional to the resistor, external resistor. Initially the resistor is very high, so that automatically we are getting the more torque. R2 is highest during the starting, so that torque is very high at the starting. Right? Due to the high resistance added at the beginning, we are getting the highest torque at the beginning. The disadvantage is it can be used only for slip ring rotor. In a squirrel gauge rotor is one more type available, where we cannot connect any resistor to the squirrel gauge rotor. Only in the slip ring rotor only we can use this method, because in the slip ring we can able to connect the external resistor, but in squirrel gauge there is no connection, we cannot add any external resistance. So in this video we discuss about the rotor resistance starter used for the 3-phase induction motor, working principle, advantages and disadvantages. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.